you ever seen a chicken that looks like a walking puffball? Or wondered how slimy eels turn into Japan's favorite dish? Today we're diving into two of the most surprising animal farms you'll ever see. Silkie chickens with black bones and Japanese eels raised in high-tech tanks. From fluffy feathers to rich grilled unagi, you're about to witness a full journey few people ever get to see. Trust me, once you watch this, the fluffy wonders, Silkie chickens. Silkies are one of the strangest looking chickens on earth. They're covered in soft, fur-like feathers and have black skin, bones, and 5 toes. Most chickens only have 4. People love them because they're calm, cuddly, and act more like pets than farm animals. They likely came from ancient Asia, and Marco Polo even wrote about furry chickens centuries ago. Despite being small, they need a lot of space in their coops. Their feathers don't hold together like other birds, which means they can't fly, but they look like floating clouds. You'll find different types, bearded and non-bearded, and in many colors: white, black, gray, buff, lavender, and more. Some newer shades are still being developed. Housing, hygiene, and free-ranging benefits. Silkies need clean, dry living areas. Their fluffy feet can catch infections if their space stays damp. That's why farmers clean their coops regularly. Letting them walk around outdoors also helps them stay healthy. It builds muscle, keeps their bones strong, and improves digestion. Sunlight is crucial too. It helps them create vitamin D, which keeps their feathers and bones strong. It also helps kill bacteria and parasites naturally because they're calm and friendly. Silkies are perfect backyard chickens. They like being held and often follow people around. That makes them great for families and especially for kids. What do Silkie chickens eat? To grow strong and stay healthy, Silkies need a balanced diet. Farmers feed them grains like corn and rice, protein-rich insects, and green veggies for vitamins. These meals help with digestion and improve their overall health. Farmers avoid wasting food and make sure the coop stays clean. Clean feeding areas mean fewer health problems and better productivity from the flock. Growth, vaccines, and culinary uses. From 3 days old, the chicks get vaccinated. Silkies have weaker immune systems than other breeds, so they need extra care. They can live 7 to 9 years, but if raised for meat, they're usually harvested between 4 to 6 months. Their meat is black, tender, and used in Chinese soups. Cooks often add herbs like goji berries, ginger, and dried citrus peel for flavor. It's also used in roasts, stir-fries, and curries. Silkie hens are great mothers. They often sit on their eggs and take care of chicks naturally. When needed, farmers use incubators. Eggs are sorted, cleaned, and checked using a method called candling to see if they're healthy inside. After 21 days in a warm, humid environment, the eggs hatch. Chicks go into brooding cages with soft bedding, clean food, and warm lights. Hens show their chicks how to eat and drink, and stay close for protection.